walks the streets at night. He looks at no one, fades into the light. Sorrow and anger follow his way, his torn wings hidden where memories stay. He stops by a church, the doors are sealed. No faithful souls, no wounds to be healed. He kicks them open, throws down his past, drinks holy water to quench the fire at last. He speaks to Jesus. Tell me, was it worth it, brother? Without reply, he embraces the other. Thunder cracks, the heavens divide. The guardian of all stands in pure white. A tear rolls down from Jesus' eyes. The candles flare, the silence dies. Through organ pipes a whisper flows. The timeless elder softly glows. The angel kneels, his tears unchained. God's own hand dissolves his pain. In the shadows, he sees his wings reborn. From this day forth, the angel of forgiveness is sworn.